Here's how you can fix the 0x800703f1 update or install error in Windows. Since this is an update error, the first thing you should try is resetting the Windows Update components. It's quick and often fixes the issue. To do this, press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, and click on Run as Administrator. Select Yes in the UAC prompt. Now execute these 10 commands one by one. Just copy each command, paste it into the command prompt, hit Enter, and wait for it to finish. I have added the commands to the video's description. If resetting the update components doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to repair any corrupted system files. First, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Now, you'll need to run the commands for the DISM tool and SFC scan. These will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically repair and replace them. All 4 commands are listed in the video description, so you can copy them directly from there. Once you've run them all, restart your PC and try checking for updates again. If the error shows up for a single update, try manually installing it. This method often works when a specific Windows update repeatedly fails. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. You can find the link in the description. Next, type the KB number of the update you're trying to install into the search bar and press Enter. Now, download the version that matches your Windows build and architecture. It's 64-bit for most modern PCs. After it's downloaded, double-click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it manually. After the installation is complete, restart your PC to apply the changes. The next solution is to perform an in-place upgrade. It's similar to reinstalling Windows, but your personal files and apps stay intact. For this, you'll need to download the Windows ISO from Microsoft's official website. The entire process can take a few hours, so make sure you have enough time and a stable internet connection. We already have a dedicated video on how to perform an in-place upgrade. It should appear near the top right corner. If you don't see the tutorial, click the eye icon. If nothing has worked so far, it likely means the file corruption runs deep. And at this stage, only a Windows reset or reinstall can fix it. First, try performing a factory reset. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to System, then select Recovery from the right, and click Reset PC. Choose Keep My Files, and when asked how Windows should be reinstalled, select Cloud Download. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. If this doesn't work for some reason, go with a tool like Rufus to create a bootable Windows USB drive and use it to reinstall Windows on your PC. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.